some behind the scenes action. We are just fixing our GoPro on the car so we get some awesome moving shots. We're headed to Jebel Shams, to the mountains to go hiking, and it's a lot of work, you know. We have to make sure that the cards are ready, the batteries are charged. We do that late in the night, and we had an early start at 5:30. Well, we woke up at about 5 in the morning and we left our hotel at about 6:30. Good to go. I got my man here, Kareem. Kareem's been really patient with us driving around. So has Karan. His shoulders hurt holding the gimbal every day, all day. And we're headed now to the mountains, and we shall speak again soon.